Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to calculate the payday calculation for each of the employees who are working for a particular organization. I have first name, last name, and employee ID, and also I have got the job title. I'll be generating random values against each of the employee so that I can calculate the payday salary, which is basically payday salary based on the random numbers which I am going to generate. For that, to generate random numbers, this is an approximate numbers which I am going to give to generate the random numbers. So I will use the function rand between. I will use $500 to $1,000 per week. So Cedric Wilkinson, job title Baker, gets approximately $990 per week. If I drag the formula, I'll be able to get the result for other employees. So this is an approximate salary per week which I am generating, and I will use the accounting format. And this is dollar per week. Okay. Since I am using rand between function, it will automatically change the numbers. If you see, the number has already changed. So what I will do is, I will Control C, copy and paste the values only. Now I have removed the formula. So there is no more formula here in the E column. So it is just a regular numbers. If I wanted to calculate what is the per hour, dollar per hour calculation, and we know that in column E we have calculated per week dollar. In column F we wanted to calculate per hour. So per hour, let us take an example of 45 hours per week, which is 5 days per week. So I wanted to divide this number with 45. I will get the result as divided by 45. So this is the amount. This is the dollar for per hour. So per hour, 21.87 will be the salary for Cedric Wilkinson if I calculate $984 per week. I will drag the formula for all the employees. I have got the result for per hour. Now I wanted to calculate the total. So what I will do is number of days which or number of weeks the employee has worked. Weeks employee worked. If I wanted to calculate employee worked, let us take for July 2024. If I take 5 weeks for July 2024, it will be 5 weeks. So I have got the result. For all the employees, it will be same 5 weeks. And I wanted to multiply the number of weeks and per week. I have to multiply the amount with per week. So this will be the total amount what Cedric has received in the month of July 2024 after working for 5 weeks. For 5 weeks, Cedric has worked and per week he is getting $984. If I calculate for per hour, then the amount will be 21.87 per hour. And since Cedric has worked for 5 weeks, you will get the total amount as $4,920. I will drag the formula. I have got the result for all the employees. I have got the result for all the employees. So this will be my total. If I wanted to calculate the total for all the employees, then I have to do the sum. Open the bracket. Select the range of cells and close the bracket. I have got the total. So this is the total amount for the month of July for all the employees which the organization has paid. If I wanted to calculate the average salary for the employee, then I will use the formula equals average. Open the bracket. I will color code this. And I will use the function average. Open the bracket, and I can select the range of cells. I'll select the range of cells, close the bracket. I will get the average. So $765 is the average salary for an employee. And if I wanted to calculate minimum, I wanted to check who is the person who has got the minimum salary. I will use the function which is called as min. Open the bracket and select the range of cells and close the bracket. So minimum salary is 502. Let us see who is the person who has got the 502. Aiden Iris. He is the person, is the employee who has got very less salary. And if I wanted to calculate maximum, let us format the cell. I will use the function max and select the range of cells, close the bracket. So $1,000 is the maximum salary what an employee has got. 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐩𝐭𝐢𝐨𝐧 is the employee who has got maximum salary. And if I wanted to calculate the total, what I will do is I'll simply copy the formula here, and this will be my total. If I wanted to calculate average, minimum and maximum for the total salary, which is nothing but 5 weeks of salary, then I can copy the same formula. In column G, I will get the average, minimum and max. If you wanted to check if the formula has taken the correct range of cells, double click on the cell. You will be able to see it has taken the correct range of cells. Since we have copied from column D, let me copy once again. I have copied from D to G. And I need to check whether the copied formula is properly working or not. So I can cross verify by double clicking on the value itself. And we are pretty much sure that the result what it has given for average, minimum and max, it is the correct value. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.